bike, her remembrance bike, took quite a while to finish, but she's done, guys. She is finally done. And could do like a little bike check right here for you guys. So we'll start with the back. The tires are 1.5 skinnies, 1.5 V Speedsters. Now I wanted the fat rim because I didn't want to run skinny rims. I wanted the fat rim, so I had to size down the tire so it would fit. Plenty of clearance now. But if I ran like the regular 2.4 tire, it would not fit. So it came out pretty clean with the tire stretch. So in the back we've got box hubs. We got the Eclat 1.75 rim, I believe. 1.6 maybe? Not totally sure, but these are the Eclat tripping rims. Pretty fire. All white. Then we got textural brakes on there, and then we got, you know, got chain tensioners on there. Those came on the stock hub. Put those right back on there. These are the 20 millimeter box hubs. They got the axle going straight through, so there's no fork. I forgot what it's called, but it's just like a hole right there. It's not like a regular fork. It's 20 mil straight axle. Then we got the Pivotal Rose seat. And guess what, guys? I'm not sure what seat that is. Hit me up. I'll figure it out. S&M seat post. We got the Knight Bike Company C-clamp. We got the Salt oil slick chain. Answer. Actually, that's 11 45 tooth chain ring. Then we got the Box M35s, guys. These are the big dogs. These are fire. These are the #1 cranks that Box sells. Box 1 M35. Then we got the Shadow white pedals. Fire. And then we got the sticker kit. Ride Out Supply donated. Thank you, guys. Ride Out Supply. Sharky. Got the Sharky cakes on there. And then headed to the front, we got the ODI grips, long necks. These are so nice, guys. Very comfy, squishy. We got the Answer long reach. Brake handle. Damn, I'm having a freaking brain fart, bro. Brake lever. And then we got the Knight Bike Company stem. Fresh. Okay. And then we got the black, carbon fiber spacers right here. So nice. So nice. Stock forks. Same Speedster tires. Box 20 millimeter hubs. I could not find profile hubs for this bike. Everything's out of stock because it was race season, so they buy these things up, man. 20 millimeters, they're out of stock everywhere. I couldn't find them. The spokes, not sure exactly what spokes those are, but these are the Primo nipples. Got the Primo nipples. Those are the long ones with the tripping rims up front and a brake cable. You can get those at any bike shop in purple. And that is a wrap for Cakes 20-inch PK Ripper 2022. Shout out to Menifee Bikes for all your help. Shout out to Ride Out Supply for your help with this build. And it's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Rest in peace, Cakes.